The Airbus A300 was the first official Airbus aircraft built. But why did Airbus choose the name A300 for its first aircraft and not a title like the Havilland Comet or the Concorde, or even start its series at 001? To begin with, we need to understand what the A stands for in Airbus A300. The A stands for Airbus. The 300 refers to the proposed passenger capacity of the aircraft, 300 passengers. But keen readers will know that the original A300 did not actually carry 300 passengers, but actually carried 250. This story began back at Airbus in May 1969. Airbus was facing criticism that its first aircraft always planned to be a twin-engined plane. People thought it would not be powerful enough or safe enough to make ocean voyages. At the time, aircraft either had 4 engines like the Boeing 707 or 3 engines like the Lockheed L101 TriStar. For the big 300-seater A300 design to work, the plane would need to have powerful engines to make it cross the sea. Alas, Rolls-Royce, who agreed to make the engines for A300, found itself overstretched with its American clients, leaving Airbus without an engine. But the firm's fortune was about to change. Airbus discovered during the market research that its customer airlines didn't want a 300-seater plane. A fall in the aviation market had revised projections and pushed demand in a more conservative direction. This was a blessing in disguise because the plane could be smaller to better suit airlines and would simultaneously figure its engine problem. They would be able to select an existing engine from the market, such as the Pratt & Whitney JT9 or the General Electric CF6, and save a considerable amount of money. Working in secret, a group of lead engineers redesigned and shrunk the A300. The new version would be 5.62 meters shorter and carry only 260 passengers. To avoid confusion, and because the name Airbus A250 didn't have a good ring to it, the first aircraft would be called the A300B. Plus, because the aircraft was smaller, it could have powerful engines for its size and be suitable for trips across an ocean, a win-win situation for all. Ironically, Air France would step in, suggest that a 250 economy-seater A300B was too small for them, and ask if there was a way to increase the seats up to 270. After the first 2 prototypes, Airbus would rework the design to make it slightly longer and return some additional capacity. This A300B then became the A300B1, and the real journey of Airbus had kicked off. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel.